After learning how to make this, I don't really feel the need to buy matcha drinks outside anymore. Set some honey aside to soak your tapioca in later. The quality of the matcha really matters for your drink. It will have more of a punchy and earthy taste if it's premium. Matcha drinks are a bit of a splurge anyways, and if you buy a pack yourself, you'll end up saving money, so girl math, right? You'll need about 1.5 scoops to make 1 cup of matcha. I'm just using a lot here because I'm expecting to go for seconds, if not thirds. Use a bit of hot water to dissolve your matcha powder. I don't usually love owning niche tools, but the matcha whisk is a must. It really helps dissolve everything smoothly, creating that luscious and luxurious feel. You can buy tapioca mixes that's ready to eat within 3 to 5 minutes. It's been a game changer, and my spending bubble tea have reduced significantly because of it. Typically, once your tapioca starts floating above the water, that's when you know it's ready. I like to soak it in honey so that it maintains its chewy texture while also giving it more flavor. Wait for your matcha to cool down and it's ready to assemble. Look at how gorgeous this deep green color is. Add tapioca to taste, and you can also adjust the sweetness level by adding more or less honey. I love adding milk to mine, and oat milk would also be delicious as a substitute. Watching the two liquids mix is one of my favorite parts about making this matcha latte drink. There is just something so magical and satisfying about it. Now your drink is almost ready. Give it a bit of a stir so that all the ingredients can mix together. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see more like this.